Have you ever stood under the starlit sky and wondered if somewhere, billions of light years away, someone might be doing the same thing? Our universe is sprawling, magnificent, and teases us with countless mysteries, one of the most compelling being, are we truly alone? Today, we dive deep into this enigma, exploring not just the possibilities of other habitable planets, but touching the fringe theories and ancient narratives that suggest our ancestors might have been star travelers themselves. Let's start by imagining a planet where the sky is not blue but a deep crimson. The trees, if we can call them that, are geometrically odd, and under your feet is not soil but a soft sponge-like material. This could be the scenery of Kepler 452b, known as Earth 2.0, located about 1,400 light-years away in the constellation of Cygnus. Discovered in 2015 by the Kepler telescope, this super-Earth sits comfortably in the Goldilocks zone of its host star, where the conditions are just right for liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. But Kepler 452b isn't just a scientist's fantasy. It represents one of the most probable external stages where the drama of life may be unfolding, similar to Earth's own diverse ecosystem narratives. If the sheer number of habitable zone planets doesn't stretch your imagination, then perhaps the Drake equation will. Formulated by Frank Drake in 1961, this probabilistic equation multiplies factors like the number of stars formed in our galaxy, the percentage of those stars hosting Earth-like planets, and the chances of intelligent life evolving enough to produce detectable signals. The outcome: potentially tens of spaces of communicative civilizations in just our Milky Way galaxy. And yet, here we find our first grand mystery, the overwhelming silence. Despite the high probabilities, our cosmos appears eerily quiet, almost as if a galactic-scale hide-and-seek is in progress. This disconnect between high probability and low evidence has fueled alternative theories. Enter the ancient astronaut theorists, who look at artifacts from advanced ancient civilizations and propose a bold interpretation. Take, for example, the Sumerian seal VA243, which some say depicts a solar system with all the correct planets, centuries before modern telescopes confirmed their existence. How could ancient civilizations know such details without a peek through the cosmic lens? Proponents like Zecharia Sitchin argue that extraterrestrial visitors, mistaken as deities, imparted their advanced astronomical knowledge to humans, an idea that threads through many ancient narratives from the Dogon tribe's knowledge of Sirius B to the epic tales of sky gods in Maya and Egyptian cultures. But what about Earth itself? Could it have been an experiment from another world? This idea edges into our next speculative frontier. Mars One project aims to begin human colonization of Mars by sending settlers on a one-way trip, moving a branch of our civilization to another planet. The terraforming discussions associated with Mars evoke comparisons to theories suggesting Earth might have been engineered for life by advanced extraterrestrial landscapers. Dr. Ellis Silver's controversial theory even suggests humans may not be native to Earth, pointing to several physiological maladaptations that contradict our evolutionary fit to this planet. And while we discuss theoretical terraforming and interstellar missions, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched into space, aims to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. Its mission? To capture the dawn of galaxies, study atmospheres of far-off exoplanets, and maybe, just maybe, spot signatures of life waving back at us. This continuous human dream to connect with the cosmos unfolds not only through sophisticated technology, but through stories and shared mythologies that paint our ancestors not merely as cave dwellers, but as cosmic voyagers with potential extraterrestrial origins. Each theory, each narrative propels us to consider that the twinkling stars above might not just be nuclear furnaces millions of miles away, but beacons guiding us towards discovering our true cosmic legacy, reminding us of lost paradises or ancient celestial homes. Could our ancient myths and modern technologies converge to uncover our true past and potentially bright future among the stars? As we probe further, unearthing cosmic secrets and building bridges across starry realms, Every discovery brings us closer to understanding not only the universe, but perhaps rediscovering a forgotten chapter of our own story in this vast, mysterious cosmos. Stay tuned as we continue to cut through the silence of space, crafting a narrative where Earthlings may indeed be the children of a stardust-filled heritage.